Hi, welcome back to our channel. It's called Under Our Roof. I'm Haley, and my husband Cody and I have completely renovated our whole outdated house, and now this is the patio renovation. So, like I said, we've done our whole entire house, so if you're into seeing like outdated houses, look completely modern, the whole renovation, then please check out our channel. We've done our kitchen, bathrooms, everything. So now the patio is our last big project that we need done. We still are going to do little projects here and there, like the closet. I am dying to get our closet done. I'm hoping that'll be next. But for now, we're focusing on the patio. I taped off every window in the house, inside and outside. But on the patio, I'm taping off and painting all black because later on we're going to paint everything white. Which goes along with the theme of the inside of our house and the front of our house. So then now we're working on the structure of the patio. So Cody had to knock off some of the beams. We didn't like there's a couple brick beams. And now he's just replacing them with fresh wooden beams. And then there was a part of our patio that the septic tank was under. But then when we moved in, they moved it out. So now Cody's and his one of his friends, they're filling it in with a concrete pad just to make it one big patio. And then this was my favorite part, was we had a tin roof on the top, and that tin in the 100-degree heat, it just made it like an oven standing underneath the patio. So he took off all the tin. Oh, and in the winter time, if there was any wind, that it would like pick up and just bang on the awning. So got rid of that, making some modifications, and then I didn't really show, but we like fixed a lot of the wood that maybe had like water damage or anything like that, and then got some patio furniture. I'll show you us putting it together a little bit. It's a sectional couch. I got it for $700 on Amazon. I thought that was a pretty good deal after shopping around, and so far we do love it. And you can see we are painting everything white. And then you'll see this it'll be put together later on. It's like wooden slats. It reminds me of like what hotels and maybe some fancy restaurants, what they have on their patios. So I'm just staining the wooden slats, and then Cody and his brother will put them up later. And then I'm taping all the black. I think it looks so nice with the black and the white together. And then Cody installed a new light fixture, and I think that makes a huge difference. And then we got one of those things that you put the the garden hose in, and it makes it so much nicer. We got this one from Lowe's. And then Cody was putting on it's like a vinyl roof instead of the metal roofing. And then this is like the slat wall thing that I was telling you about. It'll give us more privacy, and I just really like the look of it. And then since I did already stain it on the ground, I'm going to come back and re-stain it up on the wall, just to make it a little more dark and like vibrant. I'm mixing between like a brown stain and a gray stain. I like the way that looks mixed together. And now my favorite part, just putting all the furniture up. Um, there are little touches that we do need to make, like some like touching up paint and all of that, but we're just going to get it set up nice. We're going to enjoy it for a while, and I will go back and touch up paint. I know we're going to add a TV eventually, maybe even like a built-in like grill area, but of course I'll show that whenever we do get to that. But we just need to count this win now. It's pretty much done, the patio. So like I said, I'll share with you a video whenever we do make any little changes. And then this is that couch that we put together that we got off of Amazon. And then I did get a table and chairs from my parents that I had. It's probably been in the family for a good 10 years or so. It still looks nice, still taken care of, so I'm going to clean that and put that also over that rug over there and just get it all set up nice. So now the befores and after. This is what it looked like before, right when we moved in. It was a mess. It was ugly. And now it's a little more put together. And I think it looks so much better the way it turned out. So thank you so much for watching. If you do like our style, please check out our other videos. I have cooking and cleaning and more renovation videos, more on the way. And I do have some already posted. So thank you so much for watching.